Welcome to Exness Frank channel. In today's video, I want to address something real quick. Every day of my life, my prayer is for a new beginner to meet my content here on YouTube, because eventually, after watching my video, you must definitely get the right thing you are looking for. There is this popular saying that Forex is easy and busy, easy peasy, easy peasy. Trading is easy, trading is simple. Come on. If you hear that from anybody, that's a red flag. That's a sign that that person don't want to help you. That person wants to dupe you. Trading Forex is as difficult as anything you can ever imagine. I'll go into this video in details when I come back from the break. Don't go anywhere.
Exness Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, guys. Before I go into this video, I have a senior man I want to greet. Okay, I greet you, chairman. No be you. Touch that guy behind you. That consistent demo trader. Yes, you have traded demo consistently, profitably, but anytime you fund a real account, you blow up that account. I greet you, senior man. I greet. Welcome back, guys. Now let us dive into Forex being easy and busy. If making money is easy and busy, then Forex trading must be easy and busy. To make money in life is not easy. Talk more of being a pizza. Then why will the Forex trading be easy? If you come into this Forex industry, guys, just know that it's going to take you a year or two before you start making money from the industry. Remove that from your mind, that you are going to come into the industry for 6 months, 2 months, you start making money. Is a lie. Or there's a strategy that we're going to make you money within a month. That's a big lie. That's a big lie. All these things are driving for you to come and buy a mentorship program. I'm also a Forex trader, and I make money from trading Forex. I also have people I teach Forex. That is people that willingly, they came to me and they say they want to learn how I trade. So that doesn't stop me from saying the truth. We have mentors that will take you to doom. We have people that will take you to the mud. You understand? And I also know that there are good Forex mentors out there. Once you can find someone that will help and teach you. And it is very difficult for someone to expose his trading strategy. Just know that, okay? So Forex trading is a world where you have to suffer, you have to grind. Just like taking a course of medicine and surgery in a university. See Forex trading as that. Years of consistency, years of dedicated practices. That is the way out in Forex trading. It is not easy and busy. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you a trade I took on GBP USD, because I trade only GBP USD. And from my analysis and from my statement in this analysis, you will tell me how Forex is easy and busy. Some persons take 3 years before they get to profitability. Some people take 5 years. It depends on the learning and the discipline. Because trading is even all about psychology, controlling your emotions. You can get the strategy now. I might teach you how to trade Forex. But how can you control your psychology? How can you control your spirit? And let me just let you know this. Forex brings out your personality. It brings out who you are. If you are a careless person, that carelessness will come out in your trades. I'm telling you the truth. You will tell yourself, I'm not going to close this trade till it hit take profit. But you see yourself taking out some profit or even closing the trade entirely. You will tell yourself that you must wait for your strategy. Wait for this thing to come to this box before you trade. You will see yourself trading before that box. And then the market will take you out, come to that box that you were expecting and sell. You didn't wait for that zone. That is psychology. Psychology. You will see yourself in the field of Forex. People are placing trades, buy, sell. Your own strategy tells you to wait. But because the environment is trading, you join a useless trade. And at the end of the day, to come and do that same thing that you're supposed to do, and then you are in loss. To control this emotion is not as easy as people say it out there. It's very difficult. Experience can tell. Why I'm doing this video today is that I've passed through this, I've experienced this, and I'm a living witness. Okay, this is my chart on GBP USD. This is for the previous week that just passed. That is Friday, 8th March. Sorry. Yeah, 8th March. Okay. Remember, these lines I mark out is my week beginning and week ending, like I told you. That's my strategy. So I have it previously. Like, I won't show all my charts, because if I show my charts, some people will be so smart to screenshot the way I, some of my secrets, which I don't want to give out here on this YouTube. Okay. Now look at this chart from Friday, 8th March. we took our first trade. First of all, that red line you see above there is the highest point, right? But you may not need it, okay? I just want to show you how easy and busy Forex is. We took our first trade. You can check this in my Telegram community. All evidence are all there. So if you're doubting anything, just go there. You will catch yourself evidence. There's plenty. So if you look at this, we took this sell. We made profit. Now, this happened on Monday. We took a trade on Monday. Then on Tuesday, we took another sell on GBP USD. See this second sell in profit, right? Now on Wednesday, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I traded consecutively, right? Now see this Wednesday trade, we took a sell there. Now see that range, the market came in profit, went up, came in profit, went up, came in profit, went up. Now this thing happened throughout Wednesday. I had to tell them to take off their profit, those that will not be able to hold the trade till the next morning. Because from what I'm seeing, GBP USD is supposed to sell to TP zone. And my principle is it must hit stop loss or hit my take profit. And with that, I had to manage my risk properly. My next video is important you watch it because I'm going to show a record, okay, my chart, history, how to be profitable in market, even in the midst of losses, all right? Now look at this. It came into loss. So the whole night, sleepless nights, it didn't go into profit. Then the next morning, we had this move. They took us out. Look at it. The market took us out and sold. Took us out and sold massively. So is this easy and busy for you? Something that is supposed to sell, but it will never sell until it takes people out. Is that easy and busy? Some people will be like, okay, a new beginner will be like, okay, since this thing took me out at 10 pips, then next time let me be using 20 pips or 25 pips or 30 pips to cover that loss. That's not how to trade Forex. It must be a particular stop loss value. Experience can tell. And let me give you updates. Because if you start changing, let me start using 30 pips stop loss. Baba, Forex is ready. It will one day to catch up to that your 30 pips stop loss. And then you might go to your village from that place to your village, like you take night bus. Because in the way this Forex is designed, it is designed to take liquidities. It is designed to take people's money before it sells. If you start ranging like that, just know that they don't have enough money to sell or they don't have enough money to buy. They need to grab people's stop loss enough of it. And then when people are few remaining in that trade, they will now go in that direction. Go and find out. Don't worry, as the longer you stay in the game, the better you understand it. Forget these stories you see online. Forget this whining, this sweet mouth. Forget it. You will see it and experience it and come back and thank me later. All right. I will show you one other thing that makes Forex very difficult. There was a week I didn't trade. In fact, I didn't trade 2 weeks. The previous 2 weeks before this week you see here. So the previous 2 weeks I didn't take any trade in Forex. Week 1, week 2, no trades. Why? Because there was no setup in the trading market. I know some people will not be able to do that. Go to my Telegram channel. We didn't take a trade for 2 weeks. That's because there is no setup, and then there's no setup, we will not trade. Let me show you. Let me just give you one secret. Let me open the side of that 2 weeks we didn't trade. Okay, let's go to the previous 2 weeks which I didn't trade. Now remember, this is a trading week. We made profit. We are profitable in this trade. Even though we took 2 trades, 1 loss, is okay. That's the game. So now look at this week. I didn't trade anything. That is from 1st March. In fact, 1st March to March 8th, no trade for me. Is it easy for you to stay and the chart is going up like this? See all these movements. You are not taking trade. You comfortably fold your hands. It's not easy and busy. You get to know what I'm saying later. Now after the previous week before this one, I didn't also take a trade. Now I will have to explain this so that you understand why I didn't take a trade. Now look at this, right? Let me just do small thing for you to see. Sorry. Okay. Now this is a zone here, okay? And then on Friday 23, I sold GBP USD, okay, before the market closed. So we sold from here. I can remember we sold this market from here, right? Go to my Telegram, evidence, no be scam, no be child's play, okay? So I sold this market from here. Stop loss just above that, 10 pips, not far. Now look at this. This is a trade we started selling from Friday. So we left. Ordinarily, my trade is supposed to hit take profit, right? Now this market on Monday, look at this. This is Monday. Before we enter Tuesday, this market was ranging throughout Monday, not going to my TP zone. So on Tuesday, obviously, there's no trade set up because what are you trading there in a ranging market like this? What will you trade that place? No, tell me now, what are you going to trade when something is ranging up and down? Then, of course, it must still take profit before I take a new decision on how the market will go. That is my own strategy, and I must keep to it. I will not do it the way your mentor is doing it. I'm doing it the way I'm doing it and make money from the market. So look at this. At this region on Tuesday 27th is still ranging. The market tried to make a move to that take profit zone, right? Look at this. Trying to hit to TP. TP is that black line you see there. It didn't go to the TP around Wednesday. I say, what kind of thing is this? You're supposed to wait patiently till you go to TP. Now it went very close to TP, didn't hit take profit. Then it came up, right? Then finally on TP zone. So literally, GBP USD took 1 week to go to a TP zone. But some people will be catching some of this trade. They will buy and sell, not knowing that the overall is sell. It's supposed to go to and hit TP. That's why I didn't trade that way, because I took the sell previously and left halfway. Then obviously I have to wait for the TP, establish TP to hit before I can now find a way, okay, to take another trade. So why didn't I take trade the next week? Now see the market, what market did. That next week, market ran up, okay, into another range. So I was waiting for the market to give me a confirmation so that I would take another sell. But it didn't. It slept and then break above. That is giving us what we call a total change of character. Let me put this. From here now, clearly now this zone is what we call change of character for those that know SMC. Now this SMC now change of character will now start trading a buys. The markets become a buy, right? But my type of buy is I must buy when liquidity must have been taken. No liquidity, no trade. Even though we have pullback, impulsive move, pullback, but whichever pullback that must happen, there must be a kind of manipulation and liquidity for me to come in. But we didn't have a liquidity pool. The market was giving us a kind of standard market, and then I knew that there's nothing like ID market. It started giving this kind of ID fetish movement. I ignored the whole movement, and I didn't take for that week till this previous week where I started seeing liquidity kind of trade, and I joined this market. These things I'm saying like this, they are not easy. Talk more of being busy, from the word pizza. All right. So that will be the end of this video. I don't want the video to be too lengthy. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, especially if you're a new beginner. Okay. Check up on us on a weekly basis. We must have a word or two to tell you. Like this video. Share the video for the rest of the audience who needs liberation. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.